Hi everyone, I'm here today to introduce you to Marl. Marl was designed with the explicit aim to comfort, relax, and calm through its soothing neutral palette that makes you feel like being wrapped in an artesian blanket. Uses of Marl Slub yarn in a hefty basket type weave effect, which includes all the essential colors as well as some on-trend accents, like our fern, maple, and fig. This Ultra-Luxe solid comes stocked with our performance finish Endurepel Shield, so don't be afraid to work with whites and creams anymore. With 60,000 double rubs and a pill class of 4.5, this makes this item appropriate for contract or residential use. Marl pairs especially well with our new pattern Hathaway. As stripes and velvets continue to grow in popularity, you can't go wrong with this look for any room. Marl is really built for beauty, comfort, and for all life's little messes. Thanks so much for watching. To learn more, visit our website at annisfabrics.com and be sure to follow us on our social media at Annis Fabrics.